I'm literally shaking right now. Hello, love. Hello, baby. Yeah. Hello.
Oh, it smells so bad.
Oh, you probably never had any love or affection before.
He's like, come on, pet me.
There's at least 5 cats in this room.
That one over there sitting down is real cute.
I know, you just want lovies. Oh yeah, you want to be the star, don't you? They don't look like they're that old. Just imagine when it's summertime though.
It's gonna be so hot in here. The condition of the rest of the home. And they were all living in this.
What do you think is in the freezers?
I don't want to find out, to be honest.
This is so disturbing.
Should we open them? Ew.
There's 3 of them in here.